Hi guys. So I'm sorry I haven't been posting a lot, but yeah, sorry. I was kind of busy. The roleplay is that it's a thunderstorm. Okay, I think the coast is clear. We can talk now. Where is the drum? What do you know that will get us out of this dang god elevator? I know. No, something. Sure about that. Oh my gosh. Guys, chill. Yeah, chill. You almost woke me and Fluffy up. Okay, you guys just shut up. He didn't like wake us. But how did... Okay, I'm doing that. Dad! Wait. Somebody let the goose in the house. Good. Goosey, be nice. He's not being rude to the sister or the dad or the mom because they're the ones that got him. Ow, you bit me! Okay. Let's put him over here. Okay, let's go back to sleep. Okay, let's go to sleep. It's like nighttime, guys. Come on. Okay. Come on, brother. Go to sleep. Good night, Dad. Good night. Ow. But the thingy keeps on snatching me. Ew, get your paws off of me, sister. That's not my paws, that's the goose's paws. He's messing with you guys again. Yes. Goose! I'll throw you in the trash. Now stop it. Go in the closet. Sorry, birdie. Love you. I can't believe she just did that to me. Yay, finally no more thunderstorm. Yeah, that thunderstorm was bad. Yeah. Ducky was hurting. Oh my gosh, you guys are getting scars. Oh my gosh. Yeah, Goosey was putting his paws on me, so I locked him in there. Goosey. Goosey. Stop it. And he gave them kisses, but he stays in the attic. That's where his space is if he gets in trouble. Sorry guys, I'm just trying to think what else I should put in the story. Okay. Okay, let's go guys. Come on. Get your book bags and stuff. Oh my gosh, daughter, this book bag is packed. Well, no duh, Dad. It has to be packed. you in my backpack? Stop. Brother, it's not even that scary. I'm gonna say that when it's gonna get scary. Dad, you're carrying the plates. Why do I have to carry the plates? Don't you have work, Dad? Yeah. So why are you even... Okay. Honestly, Goosey, come on. Birdie. Okay. You want to hold my tablets? Well, you can't now because we don't know where they're at. Okay, come on, babe. I'll grab the baby's bottle. No, I have to, babe. Okay. Guys, stop arguing. No, Sister literally was blaming the stuff on the goose. I literally saw her being rude to me. Her being rude to the goose. Layla, she wasn't being rude to the goose. Look at her. Ew. Layla, stop it. You were literally being rude to the goose. No, I wasn't. Oh, yes, you are, Layla. You set up a plan. What, Layla? Okay, I did set up a plan. Only because Goosey's always rude to me. Goosey is never rude to you. Goosey is just protective. Okay, guys? Okay, I'm gonna go to my making shop. You guys just... Okay, Mom. I'm gonna make some more Easter clothes. Okay. Okay, let's make some more Easter clothes. Okay, so this is for the daughter, that thing. That's not giving me Easter vibes. No, because then she wouldn't match the family. Okay, now let's add these pants. And let's add these socks. And then some shoes. Mom, today's Easter. Yay! You guys have Easter. Oh yeah, I forgot, it's the baby's first Easter. What? No, it's not. Yeah, it is, guys. It's your first Easter. Oh. Oh, yeah, it is our first Easter. Do you guys even know what Easter is? No. Easter is fun and stuff. Okay, I'm gonna go to my bedroom with my toy, and I'm gonna go put my outfit on. Okay, let me go put this. Okay, this laundry needs to get... Oh, wait, I gotta put the stuff on there. Okay, we're gonna wash this. Okay. Okay. Go on there now, guys. Okay. You guys should be safe now. Okay, bye, Mom. Bye, honey. Love you guys. Love you. So, practically, they're going upstairs, and then they're gonna read their stuff, and they're gonna fight. Well, the sister's gonna handle it. Okay, this sister. Okay. Come on, guys, put your stuff away. Okay. This is my Squishmallow. My Squishmallow. My tablet. No, that's my tablet. No, it's not. That's your tablet. Oh, yeah. Guys, do not start fighting. Remember what Dad said? He's going to return those tablets right back. If you guys don't get it together. He didn't say that. Oh, yes he did, Seraph. Seraph, no Chloe. Chloe, yes he did. Claire, no he didn't. Okay, whatever you say. If he takes away your stuff, it's not my problem. And Claire, aren't you supposed to be helping us? Yeah, but you guys are literally not doing anything. You should be dropping your joyride right now. I do want my joyride. And Dad didn't even give me my joyride. Well, that's because you're being rude. I'm not being rude. You guys are the ones that literally said, Dad, I want this, I want that. No, we didn't. Did we, brother? Yeah, you did, sister. See? Brother even remembers. I told you I wasn't lying. Okay, maybe you're not lying, but you are lying. I am not lying, guys. I'm telling the truth. I don't know if you guys understand, but I'm telling the truth. Okay, guys, break it up, break it up. Me and Dad are gonna get changed. Okay. Oh my gosh, I need to finish my work today, babe. I don't know if I can go out with you and the kids. Okay. I hope you can. I hope I can too. Let me just see if I can finish this work, and I'll try to. Okay, love you. Love you. Okay, let me put the baby down for a nap. Oh, good boy, baby. On the treat. Okay, just put the baby bottle over there. How's that work going, babe? Good. I'm on a meeting, so okay. Your dad's on a meeting, so be quiet, guys. Okay. Sister's book back. This is your clothes. Okay, thanks, honey. Let me go put this up. Oh my gosh, honey, been doing a lot of clothes. Guys, your dad has been doing a lot of stuff. To never mind. To book a vacation. What? Yeah. I've been trying to take to act right. That's why. Oh, daughter, good job on your homework. Good job. Thanks, Mom. Okay, so where do you guys want to go? Can we go shopping now? Why do you need to go shopping? I mean, not shopping. Can I go to my boyfriend's house? Yeah, honey. Good. Okay. Can I spend the night? Yeah. Does he know that you're coming? Yeah, just text him on this. Okay. Make sure you be back soon. I will. He has to help me with my math project. Oh, where is your math project? It went under. I lost it. Oh, my math project? Already done it, but now I have to do reading, and that's my hard schedule. I have to do, so yeah. Okay. Love you, honey. Well, I have to get changed first. Okay, no. That. Not this. This. Okay. I'm gonna wear my dress. Dog, you don't need to wear your dress. You're already pretty. Okay, thanks, Mom. You're welcome, honey. Bye, guys. Love you. Love you. Who's gonna drive you? Me. You're only 14. You taught me how to drive, Mom. She's gone. Wait. I did teach you how to drive? Oh, yeah, I did teach you how to drive. So, guys, I honestly do not know her boyfriend's house is. Because, yeah, I just don't know where her boyfriend's house is. Fear. We're going on level 3. Wobbly, wobbly. Oh yeah, I forgot. Sorry, guys. He had a babysitter. Okay, this is his mom, his dad, his sister, his other sister. And their brother. And then, wait, where's... And then her boyfriend looks like her dad. Looks like... Okay. So, the girl's boyfriend looks like his dad. Oh. Hi, Dad. Hi, son. I'm gonna go in my bedroom. Okay, and me and her are gonna practice our notebook. Okay. Ew, why did I have to talk like that? That was so weird. The way I was talking is so weird. But I'm gonna get you before she comes here. Mom and Dad are gonna be like, why are you all dressed up? I'll be like, oh, I'm just comfortable with this book. Okay, always gotta do my reading glasses. Okay. Hey, I came. Oh, okay. Who dropped you? Myself? Oh yeah, I forgot we're 18. I don't know if you're allowed to drive when you're 18. I'm just saying you. No, you are. What do you mean? No, you're not. Yeah, you are. Okay, I'm not gonna argue with my boyfriend. That's right. When are my friends coming? Oh, when are the friends coming? Oh, yeah. Forgot about them. That's right. How could you forget about them? 2 boys and 2 girls? Yeah, basically. Hi, girly. I got a Kuromi soda. Bye, guys. That's the end of my story. And yeah, bye. Sorry I haven't been posting a lot, but yeah.